Welcome, viewers, to another exciting exploration on our channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of optical illusions, captivating tricks that challenge the way we perceive the world around us. Join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries behind illusions, understand their types, and even create some mind-bending examples for you to experience firsthand. What exactly are optical illusions? Optical illusions are captivating phenomena where our eyes and brain play tricks on us, causing us to perceive something that deviates from the objective reality of the situation. They reveal the fascinating intricacies of how our visual system processes information and interprets the world. Types of optical illusions. Now, let's delve into the various types of optical illusions. Literal illusions. Literal illusions involve straightforward misinterpretations of sensory information. Consider optical illusions where still images seem to be in motion, challenging our perception of static scenes. Physiological illusions. Physiological illusions, like the color after-image effect, stem from the characteristics of our sensory system. Staring at one color and then looking at a blank surface creates an illusion of seeing the complementary color, a direct result of how our eyes and brain process visual stimuli. Cognitive illusions. Cognitive illusions, such as the misinformation effect, demonstrate how cognitive processes like memory and decision-making can be influenced. Exposure to misleading information can alter our memory of an event, showcasing the malleability of our cognitive perceptions. Visual illusions, Müller-Lyer and Ponzo illusions. Visual illusions, such as the Müller-Lyer and Ponzo illusions, highlight how our eyes can misinterpret size, length, or shape. In the Müller-Lyer illusion, two equal lines appear different due to arrowheads, while the Ponzo illusion manipulates depth perception to make identical lines seem unequal. Examples of optical illusions. Now, let's have some fun by creating and experiencing a few optical illusions together. Müller-Lyer illusion. Draw two equal lines on a whiteboard. You can easily create a Müller-Lyer illusion at home. Draw two parallel lines of equal length, and add arrowheads at the ends of one line, pointing inward, and on the other line, pointing outward. Now, observe how the lines that are actually equal appear different in length due to the arrowheads. Ponzo Illusion Experiment. Set up two lines on converging tracks. For the Ponzo Illusion Experiment, draw two lines on a surface with converging lines in the background. Despite being identical, these lines will appear different in length due to the surrounding context. It's a fantastic way to experience how depth perception influences our perception of size. Static motion illusion. Showcase an image that appears to move. Now, let's explore a literal illusion together. Display an image that gives the illusion of movement in a static scene. This challenges our brain's ability to differentiate between actual motion and a still image. Color after-image challenge. Show a color and then switch to a blank screen. Experience a physiological illusion with the color after-image challenge. Stare at a bright color for about 30 seconds and then quickly switch to a blank screen. Witness the illusion of seeing the complementary color as your eyes readjust. Memory maze experiment. Display a series of images with subtle changes. Let's explore a cognitive illusion together. In the memory maze experiment, a series of images with subtle changes. And there you have it, folks. Optical illusions are a captivating exploration into the complexities of our visual and cognitive processes. From Müller-Lyer to Ponzo, literal to physiological, and cognitive illusions, each type provides a unique perspective on the wonders of perception. Try creating your own illusions at home and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending adventures on our channel. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep enjoying the magic of illusions.